In this video, I will show you how to use the HubSpot Playbooks feature. If you want to guide your sales or support team with ready-made scripts and step-by-step instructions during calls, this tool helps you keep everything consistent and professional. First, go to the left sidebar in HubSpot CRM, scroll down until you find Playbooks, and click on it. Once it opens, select Create Playbook. Then give it a clear name based on its purpose, like a sales call script, onboarding guide, or support checklist. After that, start building your playbook by adding structured steps, such as key questions, important talking points, and actions your team should follow during conversations. When you are done, save it and assign it to your team if required. Now, whenever you open a contact, company, or deal record, you will see the playbook option on the right side. Clicking it will open your script directly inside the record so you can follow it during live calls. You can also log responses inside the playbook, and everything will automatically be saved into the CRM, helping your team stay organized and consistent across every interaction. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel